Friends, in the first part of this demo video in Telugu language of our eKundli 10 premium software, we have covered all the work screens, the basic data entry forms and some of the menus. Now in this second video, we'll start from the menus which we have left in the first video. Now start with the Vedic Worshipful. We have covered a lot of things in Vedic Worshipful section. Now you have Vedic yearly annual chart. We have covered also the monthly chart. We have covered the daily chart of the system, which is based on the pure Vedic astrology. Now the first menu is for astrological particulars in Worshipful section. Second is planetary position and dispositions along with the natal chart and the Worshipful chart. You can move next year also from clicking on this button. Third menu is for Grahabal and Bhaval. Grahabal, which is called Dvadas Vargi Bal, Panch Vargi Bal, Hars Bal in Worshipful Kundli. Then this is Dvadas Vargiya chart, which is similar to the Sodas Varg chart, which is based on the natal planetary position. We use Dvadas Vargiya chart for Worshipful predictions. We have covered the predictions part also in the detailed predictions of the Worshipful Kundli. Now this is the Arabic parts or Saham. We have given all the details for almost 38 or 38 Sahams, which we have calculated on the based of annual chart. All the major dasa which is covered the Worshipful section, you can find it here. Mudda dasas are there, Pateni dasas are there. We have also covered a Gemini Char dasa, which is very experimental and you can't find anywhere in the world in this software. Now Tripataki Chakra and the general result of Tripataki Chakra. This is the Varsh Panchadhikari, the office bearer of this yearly chart. We have covered the Samudra Chakra and the small observation on the basis of the Samudra Chakra. You can find it here. We have given 120 years Worshipful on this software. We have covered 12 yearly chart on one page, and it will cover 120 years Worshipful chart on 10 pages. Now the prediction part. See what is the speciality of this software. We have given the prediction on everywhere. On every single tool you can find a prediction. There's no meaning of only charts for general public. So we have given predictions also. This is very balanced software. We have given all the calculations and all the predictions. Important predictions, we have covered a detailed predictions of the important index planets and other things in which is applicable. Dundi Raja Paddhati is also there. Tajik Yogas, which is applicable in this Worshipful year. The 16 Tajik Yogas is also calculated in this software. This is the prediction of Sahams, and fructification date of these sahems is also calculated and given in these predictions. We have given prediction on Patyani Dasa, which is in very detail. We have conditional Dasa like Mutta Vimsoti Dasa is also present in the software. You can find the prediction from there, these Dasas. See, this is the based on the Patyani Dasa on the applicable in this annual chart. This is very important. This is analyzing of yearly charts. You can see we have given 42 very important yogas. Lagn, what is the Lagn in Varshfal? What is the Lords situated in which house in the Varshfal? We have covered it all. You can find a detailed predictions of comprises 8 pages and 8 to 10 pages in this software. This is very important on the basis of Varshfal. Now come up the monthly chart. This is the monthly chart. Each month chart you can find it here, along with the other important like Lagna Kundli, Varshfal Kundli also there. And in this page you can find 12-month chart along with the yearly chart. With the month pravesh and other things, the date and time of month pravesh you can find it here, and 12 monthly chart is there. Now analyzation of this monthly chart you can find it here. This is the analyzation of the monthly chart. Now daily chart. Friends, this is totally based on the pure Vedic astrology concept, the Din Pravesh Kundli and Month Pravesh Kundli. You can find the Panchadhikari and other things in applicable in the daily chart. We have given all the 30, 80, 28 or 31 days chart in applicable in this month, current month. You can move it further also, like in this month. This is the 8th month of the chart. You can find the first page, second page and third page. It will cover all the month daily chart of this month on 3 pages. Now analyzing the daily chart. The predictions of the daily chart is here. You can find the daily charts predictions. So this is very detailed form of annual, monthly and daily predictions and charts given in this software. Now come up the Krishnamurti Paddhati. We have covered Krishnamurti Paddhati, the main Krishnamurti Paddhati system also, and horary system also. So you can find it here. Astrological particulars and RPs are also there, the current time RPs and the birth time RPs. What is the benefic and malefic of for this lagna is also here in this particular page. Now planetary positions and charts. Cusp Kundli, main Kundli and calculation of Krishnamurti Paddhati and sub label. The house cusp and this is planetary position. Fortuna is also there. Signification, house planet signification and house signification both is available. Vimshotri Dasa on the basis of the cave Krishnamurti and Amsa. You can find it here up to the Pran Dasa level. You can just click on the header of the Dasa or Antar Dasa and you will come up the next level of this particular chart, particular Dasa. Aspects, both Vedic and Western aspects is available, and Arabic parts on the basis of the KP and Amsa is there, applicable on the Lagna Kundli or birth chart. This is small prediction, which planet is situated in which cusp and which sign. You can find it here. So see, we have given prediction of KP also. Now come up the marriage matching system. Just select a chart and you can find the first page of the marriage matching. Now astrological particulars, both the boy and girl simultaneously on one pages. The charts and other things available on this page for both the boy and girl. A scoot agreement. Not only a scoot agreement, we have covered all the related, like one nakshatra spada and other things with these putas, which is Bij Sput and Kshetri Sputas. Bij for boy and Kshetra for girl. We have calculated it here. Now the other scoot, which is applicable in South Indian system, all the Deen, Tara and other Deen, Mahendra and other kutas are there. Dosh Shamyam, which is also very important things in matching charts. And this is Astkut Milan on the basis of all the planets. Generally we match the charts on the basis of the nakshatra of the moon, but in this section you can see all the calculation are based on all the planets. Like some people based marriage matching on the 7th lord on the basis of the nakshatra of 7th lord or ascendant or something else. Then you can find it here and check it here. This Astkuta matching is based on all the planets and all the planets. Now prediction part. This is detailed Manglik dosh and cancellation of Manglik dosh prediction. This is very important thing. What the malefic factors available, like harmful nakshatras, birth in harmful nakshatras, some dosas are there. You can find it here. This is the compatibility result on the basis of Astkut, and this is the compatibility result. This is sympathy and antipathy. This is Western type of matching of charts. You can find it here. Now come up the Lal Kitab. We have covered basic Lal Kitab, but it is not in general basic. You can find a very detailed things here. Planetary position. Now aspect of Lal Kitab. There are made 8 aspects in Lal Kitab, which is major aspects. You can find it here. Now Varshful Kundli and other details. What the planet movement in Varshful and which Varshful. You can make a 120-year charts of Varshful from here in Lal Kitab. This is very detailed predictions on planet in house and the remedies for these planets. You can find it here. This parhez and remedies is present. Varshful predictions and what the remedies available in the Varshful. You can find it here. You can move the chart on other years also from here. Now the grammar part, blind planets, blind horoscope, half blind horoscope, Dharmi Kundli, non-adult Navali Kundlis, Pitrin, which is very important things in available in Lal Kitab. You can find the detailed observation, result and remedies on Pitri dosas and available in Lal Kitab. Manglik blemish means Manglik goes on the basis of Lal Kitab. This is how we perform remedies for Lal Kitab. This is also very important. And what the conditions are, if some planet is exalted, then you can't donate things of that planet. This kind of prediction is available here. Now Pitr in general, there are some 2 or 3 rules for Pitr dosa applicability in the Lal Kitab chart. We have covered it all. The general rule of the Lal Kitab Pitr dosa. On the basis of that, you can find it here. Now come the final and last menu, which is Gemini system. Now Gemini astrological particulars, you can find a lot of lagnas, 31, 32 lagnas, Varnadas, important planets, important sphutas for Gemini system. You can find it here, like Sripati Lagna, Uppad Lagna, all the lagnas is available here. Now planetary positions and important chart, as you can find it here. Upagrahas calculation on the basis of Kalidas and on the basis of the sun nakshatras. Gemini Pada chart, all the Rasi, Bhav and planets Padas are available here. Argala Chakra, and also we have given important Agra and Lunar Argala, all the calculations of Gemini is available here. Now the Dasa part, you can find Gemini Char Dasa and Gemini Sthar Dasa pages. You can print it here. There is 2 system of Char Dasa and 2 system of Gemini Sthir Dasa. You can find it here. Now come up the predictions part up. This is very important. Gemini Yogas, which is only available in this software in the world. Our astrologer created 500 yogas on the basis of the important lagnas, important predictions, karakams and all the things. On the basis of that, they have created 500 Gemini yogas, and we have checked it here which yogas are available in this particular chart. Now prediction from Karakamsh, which is also very detailed predictions on basis of the Karakamsh, and prediction of Gemini Char Dasa. You can find it all Dasa or particular Dasa. You can find a detailed predictions of that. This is a conditional Dasa system. The condition, if the condition is not present in that particular time of bhukti, there is no result available. Okay, the result available only when we have covered calculated almost 3 to 400 conditions applicable on the Dasa system or Dasa and Bhukti system. If any condition will present, the result will show. Same here with Gemini Char Dasa and Gemini Sthir Dasa also. These are all the things which we have given, detailed things we have given. You can make your own models for particular things. We have given a lot of models here. You can use any of them. Here is a tools. You can find the all the tools are here. I think we have covered it all in first section. Okay friends, now this equally 10 premium software covered in 2 videos. Thank you.